Okay, I'm at the Forest Preserves in Chicago by River Road on the north side. See all the white birds in the grass? Well, I have some Arby's food. Let's see if I can get them all in one spot and how fast it takes. I'm walking over there. So there's River Road. There's River Road and all right, here we go. See if I can get them all to come over by me. For a YouTube video. Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here. Here you go. Here. Yeah. Come on, guys. Woo. Here you go. Yeah. You beautiful things. Oh, here they all come. Here they all come. Look at that. Oh my God. They're all coming. Look at that. Oh, nice. Cool. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome, man. Wow. Hi, guys. There you go. Got a lot of them over here, that's for sure. All right. Here. Get that one. Okay. Okay, YouTube video made. Bye. Well, not bye. Let's see if they follow me. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah, of course they're going to.